The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, fellas. Guys, Tim, Deepak, Rich, Dominic, Paul, fellas, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Harold, good morning. John as well. Scott, fellas, good morning. We have a relatively slow grind up this morning. Been watching these markets on and off for the last couple of hours. Sam, good morning. Good, good. Glad to hear it. NASDAQ is now up 34 points. ES is up 12. YM up $1.50, EMD and Russell also up, gold down $17. Silver obviously down, crude up almost $1.85. Eddie, good morning. Very good morning to you. If you guys are here on trial, good morning and welcome back. I sent each of you the daily video, so you can go back through it if you'd like. All my videos are posted to YouTube as well if you want to follow me on YouTube. But you now have, good morning, Melody, Eddie. You now have trials. You now understand, or at least know, what membership options you have. We funded 9 more traders yesterday, guys. 9 more. Good morning, Chuck. And what we've done is unheard of. Unheard of. What you guys have done is simply awesome. In any event, let's see what we can do today and who we can get funded. We do have one funded already today. Oh, wait, it's me. I funded 3 yesterday. Hey, Rand, good morning. Dan, good morning. I funded 3 accounts yesterday. So let's see if we can get any of you guys funded. I'll quickly read the disclaimer. We do have some, maybe we don't have 8:30 news today. Let me read the disclaimer. We'll look at some charts and see what we might do today. And it's not there, so I've got to find it. Dan's $500 away from another account. I'm sure you'll get that today. Good morning, Jeff. I'm going to talk a little bit about the stacked imbalance on the order flow as well, as soon as I read the disclaimer and go over charts. As soon as I find the disclaimer. There we go. Morning, Timo. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. Okay, we have another funded trader, fellas. Excuse me. What is that, your second, Dan? Second? Nice job. Guys, we have over 200 funded accounts in this room in 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Excuse me. Get that unfinished auction. Come on, man. 52. 52. Let's go, man. Get that swing. It's going to get it. Come on. Cuatro más. Dos más. 2 more ticks. 2 more ticks. Get that unfinished auction. 1 more tick. Oh, you are a rat bag. Target filled, fellas. Target filled. You're doing your first, James, or you are funded. Anybody take that trade? Thank you, Greg. Anybody take that trade? Final target 63. 63. Gold also got target 1. Stop should be at break even. You're welcome, Carl. All right, fellas. Maybe 38 for a final target, but your stop should now be at break even. Damn it. I didn't even see crude. I'm going to have to take account. Jeff, you funded 3 today with that trade? Jeff? All right. I mean, I'm telling you guys, I'm taking the trade. Not only that, it pulled. You have 1 funded, James? James? Nice, $150,000 account. Breaking from the $50,000 that we're all working on. Nice job. There we go, guys. It's 4 funded today. You should have 9 more tomorrow, my man. All right, guys, I'm going to have to change accounts because that account is at 765. Thank you, Paul. All right, guys, I'm changing accounts here. I have another account that I bought last night that's at 0, so I'll change everything over to that. I got one at 795, and we'll go to 0. One was 0. All right. Got one with 0. Let me change the DOM here. Let me change the DOM here. I changed all my bots. Oh. Nice, man. It is, if you go to indicators, Jason, go to your indicators, scroll all the way to the bottom. Got to keep up with the Joneses? Yeah, I mean, some of these guys are doing them 10 at a whack with the trade copier. You know, they're just banging them out. I got to say, I have the trade copier and I have used it, but I trust that trade copier about as much as I trust my ex-wife. If you knew my ex-wife, you'd know what I was talking about, too. I think many of us have one of those. I'll tell you what my divorce attorney said, which is kind of funny, but it's not. He said, Bob, I've met a lot of women in my life. doing what I do for a living. Said it doesn't say much for your selective process, does it? He's a good guy. He's retired now. Boom, 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 boom. NASDAQ might pull back to 690 as far as 675. Well, one, she's light years better looking than anyone on the host or on the View. I will tell you that. But she is a liberal. She is a Democrat. Oh, Richard, I'm sorry. Sorry that you have COVID. I had it, for those of you guys that don't know. I had it a year ago, February. It's not fun. Well, my daughter has some liberal views too, but she attends I pay $47,000 a year for her to attend a liberal indoctrination camp. Which is terrible because it's a private Catholic college. You had it twice? Yeah, one of my friends who's a painter, he was in the hospital with COVID. He almost died. I had it. I didn't miss a day of work. I mean, I was, exhausted. You guys all, those of you that were around then know. I dealt with exhaustion, but I was in this room every day. The good news is the flu is gone. Nobody gets the flu anymore. Guys, just a really slow pre-market. We've made a couple of bucks. No, she's a psychology major, which is useless. But she graduates next year. She'll go on and get her master's. They do, Greg. Unless you get a master's, it's a useless degree. You could be a social worker. There's not much you can do with it. I'll be right back, guys. It's time for a Red Bull. Come on down. I'm not saying we're slow, but we're holding 15-minute support at 95. If that breaks, this could dump. Come on. Good Lord. Asking for... Yes. Missed by a tick. Yes, Rich. Just turn on your Delta. It's on the heads-up display on the left. Torturously slow. All this for one target. Small buyers, small sellers. Watch your delta. 44, 43, 45, 46, 45. Ones are trading, guys. Ones. 46, 43. There's a 3. This should come down to, it should come to 91. All this to make $100. Too slow for me. It's not even moving. 16, now 11. Missed by a tick. This is where I'll kill the trade. 1 second here. 60 buyers in a 3-minute bar. 59, 60. I closed it. $10 loss. Too slow for me, guys. Still looks like it's going to roll. Let me change this. Gold's still going if anybody held gold. On the 240, gold is about maxed out. Unless it finds a bunch of buyers. I want to show you this. So I showed you this earlier. This is a 240 minute with the cloud. We held the bottom of the cloud. We've pushed back up into the 100 on a 4-hour chart. Big resistance here. If it can get above about 46, you can target 48, 49. Above that, 52, and maybe the 50 period at 55 if anybody is long gold. Just exceedingly slow. NASDAQ, if we can break below 600, it's a way. We still have 90 handles. The NASDAQ can get a nice pullback. But until we break 600, I think on a 240, we're pushing a trend line right here. Looks like we can push to 12,790 on the NASDAQ on a 4-hour chart. This is telling me 775. Buyers at the point of control as well. Look at these buyers here, guys. Straight up, right on the open. NASDAQ was a stacked imbalance long. Got a 102 buyer here. It's all buyers, guys. It's all buyers. Yes. Look at the string of buyers here. No bot trades even close at this point. Comes 64, 65. Yeah. There's 64 in the ES. Straight buyers got an opening candle. Straight net buys. Nice job, Carl. Hit your daily goal. Golly. I mean, they are just buying them. Nothing I can do here, guys. I'm not buying, buying this. If you didn't buy it, the ES, when I said they're buying them there, we have to wait for a pullback somewhere. We've hit. We still have 826 and 859 as targets on the NASDAQ. 826 and 859. Resistance here on the 4-hour chart on the NASDAQ. Crude is breaking out. $250 cases of monkeypox from 30 different countries. All right, on the next candle, I'll try a stack seller short. 50 seconds. Buyers, seller here. There's the short. I'm on the close. There it goes. Target hit. Click the break even. Out. Anybody take that short? Small short, first target winner. Anybody take it? I told you guys I was going to activate it. Oh, if you don't have the order flow software, then there's nothing you can do. Yeah, no, I don't. I mean, I agree, Greg. We probably will pull back to 65. I didn't turn my bots on yet, Paul. I haven't turned my bots on. It's just, I missed a long up here. It's just too much to the top side right now. There are no bot shorts that you want right now. I don't know, what is causing this. Yes, if it gets through that 65, we're going to rip again as well. It's basing right below 65. NASDAQ, I mean, we could get 800, almost 900. Great bananas. You got a long again if you guys are, this is in your trade program here to buy highs. Long about 10 right there. It's not in my program. They're getting bought up. These sellers are getting bought. First target is 21, 22. That's where it's wanting to go. 21, 22. ES is pushing 65. Once that breaks, the NASDAQ's going to rip. NASDAQ, yesterday's high was 825. It should get there. ES fading 65 with what looks like a small double top. It is. Look at that. I mean, I can't get any. I should have been short 65. See if we rebound. If the NASDAQ rolls over now, I might be interested in that. Back down to 64 and then 42. But it's just, man, so much to the top. Got a 224 seller here with some blocks. $30. All right, guys. I'm going to try a stack seller short again. There it is. Target filled. Break even hit. First target again. Oh, missed it by a damn tick. Out. Missed it by a tick. My bots are off, Ed. No, I didn't. I wouldn't take that short. I mean, it would have taken a short and gone to a stop out and then all targets. So I'm going to turn bots on now, guys. I've got my NASDAQ on. I've got my ES on. Gold, YM. I've got all my bots on. And Russell. I told you guys yesterday I was going to run the Russell on the originals, so I have that on. CL's not even close to a trade, Paul. This is still bananas, guys. Oh, PMI in 4 minutes. Yeah. 9:45 or 10? ISM in 20 minutes, yeah. We'll get a reaction around ISM. Pay attention, guys. No, Chris, I am not. I did not, guys. Yesterday I told you I was going to run the Russell on the original bot settings. That is the only one I am running. I added RTY to the repertoire. We're down to 500 and change on the net buyers. We're still longs, guys. I mean, I don't have reload. ES is about 14 handles below that 65. And I think the ES is going to try to, if the ES breaks below 46, it'll roll. Probably just missed a trade. Oh. Another seller here. We're down to 407. There is not, Ian. The only way that he is going to, and I say this just to kind of quote you, master order flow, is he is going to have to take the course. The automated aspect, which I do teach a bit in the order flow course, is really reserved for people that have the order flow and have taken the class. I mean, the only option, there really isn't an option unless he wants to take the class in September and go through the whole course. And if he wants to do that, he can purchase the class now. I'll send him the last class number 4's videos, and he can do self-study between here and September. And then in September, when I do the class, he can, join the class. 6 months. It's a 6-month course. That would be the only option. This is kind of chinkadinka. All right, guys. I'm going to do another short, stack short. There's a stack short. Oh, come on down. Out. I probably should have waited on that. It's still a short, but we have news. It's a miss. It's a miss. Still volatile, but it's a miss. It's son of a bitch. Still volatile. I'm going to go back to trading order flow now. We're coming down, guys. Yeah, my bots are on. If they take the short, I'll take the shorts. The ES is not there yet. It's 2 minutes away. And it's failing. They're buying the NASDAQ. They're not buying the YM. They're not buying the Russell. This is the NASDAQ show right now. Bear flag. Yeah, no worries, Rich. Hang on, guys. NASDAQ is, ES lost a short. That's what it looks like. Might get it on the current candle. NASDAQ, guys, they're buying the NASDAQ. That's the strength, is the NASDAQ. Traded into the top of the channel. ES is consolidating. YM is selling. You gotta be kidding me. $42. Like a chooch, I had it on MNQ still. I don't know what. Filled where? I think ES got target 1. ES got target 1. Yeah. NASDAQ still doesn't want to die, but it's gonna. Crude looks like it could turn over a spit on the small time frame. NASDAQ 400 buyers, not quite ready to die yet, but I don't think we're far off. What do you want to do, NASDAQ? I still think we're coming to 42. Down to just under 300 now net buyers. $300 net buyers. Yep, I see that. Now back over 300. NASDAQ's not ready to die yet, but it's trying. If NASDAQ comes below 56, NASDAQ can come all the way down to 720. 720. Below 56, it comes 720. Held a shard of support here at 64. Below 56, it comes 720. Yeah, I'm watching gold. We're chopping around here. We really need to get below this swing here. There's a bot trade on gold. That's got to go. Come on, let's go. Come on, gold. Big target, 15 ticks, guys. We need 6 ticks. Come on. I'm on the close. Come on. Come on, sell it. Come on. Come on. Fucker. I'm out of it. Pardon my French. Guys, the first 20 minutes are still crazy chaotic. Crazy chaotic. I killed the gold trade. Killed it. I'm watching it on other charts. May still work, but I just hate gold. Back up to 600. We're going to break out again. We're going to break out again. This son of a bitch, man. Come on, what do you want to do? Yeah, we're going to still break out, guys. This isn't. Here comes the new day high. Come on. Run it. Let's go. Here it goes. Again. Yeah, I've had the same issue with Apex. I think everybody has when you hit close. It takes a second or so for it to catch up. It's kind of a pain in the neck. We're still going up, fellas. We're pushing yesterday's high. 825 is yesterday's high. ES is lagging. I'm waiting for the ES to catch up. Russell hasn't taken a trade. Crude hasn't taken it. The only trade has been the ES as a small winner here. Small first target winner. And gold, which I closed for a small loss. And it wants to short again. I still think gold will come down. Goldbot didn't go long. No, it didn't. Went short. I closed that trade. NASDAQ back up to 1,000. Buyers. Yeah, you guys might want to turn your, well, none of them are going to take a trade. Turn gold off. You've got ISM guys coming up here in a couple of minutes. Still chaotic as heck. Nice job, Keith. Your daily goal is in. I'll wait till ISM. We're going to pull back to 88, I think, on NASDAQ. Maybe 89. Okay, Keith. Got a Canadian rate decision at 10 o'clock. I just turned off gold because it's flat. I'm looking at the averages. They're flat. ES is in a short. It's irrelevant. NASDAQ's in a long. It's irrelevant. YM is in a short. It's irrelevant. None of them can take trades. ISM is big. Below that 54.5 they're looking for, the economy is cooling down. Right? We're still in an expansion above 50, but we're cooling. So if it comes in below 54.5, we'll probably get a sell. JOLTS, job openings, we have non-farm payroll on Friday. Construction spending. They're going to get rate hikes. Like it or not, they're getting rate hikes. Crude inventories are tomorrow, Jeff, because of the holiday on Monday. Crude will be at 11 a.m. tomorrow. Natural gas at 10:30. They've sold YM, they've sold Russell. ES have kind of. What's Yay, 2 and Qui? What's that, Dirk? Bank of Canada raised 50. It's a beat. Construction spending is a miss. ISM is a big beat. Jeez. Okay. That starts today. Quantitative easing starts today. All right, guys. Everything is rolling over. We're shorts. We're shorts. A little bit of a bounce, but we're shorts. Remember I said below 56, we're going to short. We came to 36, 20 handles. Gold short hit targets if you took it. Lagging. We're at 70 on the NASDAQ, 70. ES just can't get anything going. When the NASDAQ finally sells, it'll be a good sell. It could be after we close the room. ES just can't get anything going. Guys, give me 1 minute if you want. 42 next target was hit. Below that, 31. And then we trade down all the way down to 704. All right, got a short on the crude bot. Again, I'm watching. Oh, this has 3 on. I must have changed that. I will definitely watch this. That's 1 off. Now I got 2 on. Come on, give me that 20. Got it. 22 ticks. First target's hit. You guys will probably get second target as well. NASDAQ's going to short on this candle, but we were short at 65. You guys good on, what's the question? D. Rutherford, you're a trial. What's the question? There's no question there. Which indicators? If you're a member, well, you don't have to be a member. You can buy my order flow and you can buy the auto. Yeah, you can buy the auto aspect of it as well. It's cheaper if you're a member. I mean, I sell them as standalone, but obviously my members get a discount. If we slow down a little bit, I'll go over all this stuff here, fellas. Come on. I'd like to see us come back now, guys, to 650. Hang on. There we go. Anybody short that 65? It was an order flow trade. You got 40 handles in it. Break a VWAP and we're doomed. We now have a negative delta. See if the ES. No, that's already in shorts. All right, NASDAQ's going to be it then, guys. Short NASDAQ on the bot. Need to come down through 22 and then 18, which is VWAP, in order to get targets. $500 plus. You're short from nice job, Dirk. Come on down. Come on. Whoop. That would have put me over 500. That's why it flashed. All right, guys. Oh, you missed first target. Got it. Oh, target 1 filled. I'm over 500 for target 2 filled. All right, guys. So I've traded 2 funded accounts today. One is up 735. This is up 1198. I have no more funded accounts to trade. I'll have to buy another account. Everybody good? Everybody good, right? Bots are shut off, guys. I have no more accounts. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 funded, 1 fully, 6. My second one funded today. I have 8 days or 3 days left on another, 4 days left on another, 6 days left on another, and the one I passed yesterday, I still have 9 days, 8 days on another. Nice job, fellas. All right, Lee, another funded trader. What we do, fellas. What we do. Buy-side Global, how they doing? Somebody reach out to them, see if they're still alive. Up 2,400 in your cash account on the NQ short. You're welcome, Lori. We got them, guys. Ian, 995 up. You're welcome. Reach daily goal. Guys, listen. Ray got his, going to exercise. Send me your totals. Earl is up 4,000 on the NASDAQ thanks to order flow. All right, guys, we have another funded trader today. This is the best. Listen, Jerry reached goals. Guys, you know, there is nobody doing what we're doing in this room on the farkin' planet. Yeah, I will. And what's your first name, D? Hang on, guys. Fifth trader. Congratulations, Lee. Up 34.85 on the NQ. Order flow. Nice job, Dirk. Chanel. Okay. 5 traders today, guys. Keep them coming. Up 34.85. Nice. You're welcome, Lee. Congratulations. Gary up 1,055. There we go, fellas. Nice job, guys. All right, so I'll give you, Chanel, I'll give you impressive stuff, fellas. 7 accounts. 7 today. 6 funded traders, 7 today. All right, so for the benefit, excellent, and have sent them. Dominic passed another one. Some of you guys are excellent and send them to me every day. Some of you guys hit and miss. Okay, Mark. How many is that, Dominic? You didn't take any bot trades, John? 5 total. I mean, that NASDAQ trade alone got you target. All right, fellas. Looks like we're selling off now. Here's my ES. Scott's got another one. Woo! Man! Nobody does this, guys. Nobody's doing this. Look at this. There we go, fellas. That's 8 today. Nice job, Randy. We came through our line in the sand. We sold 25. Next is 105. You're very welcome, Chanel. If we break 95 to the downside, foo-barred. Foo-barred. We are fooey-barred. We're going to get hit. Let me take a look at the markets, guys, see where we're at. NASDAQ's flat. Literally. ES is off 17 handles, nothing. YM is in the worst shape, down 127. We're nothing. You're up 380. It's cool. All right, guys, I'm going to have to start trading one of these accounts because I don't have another account to trade, so. ES, 6, look at this on the bottom, guys. Not good. Look at the bottom. 1,097 sellers and 603. We may bounce, but this is going to roll. We're going to roll down to 4105. Here's the NASDAQ. Got some buyers in the NASDAQ. ES has left a ton of sellers on the bottom. All right. Could get a bounce to 700, 12,704. All right, guys. I'm getting ready to take a stacked imbalance long here. We should make it to 63. Not yet. No, you would have to email me, Dominic. If anybody wants to get in on the afternoon session, fellas, we go at 1 o'clock today. It's the start of the last month until the fall. I'll invoice you as soon as I'm done. We're done here at 11. If there's anybody that asked for an invoice, a few of you have not paid. Gary, if you're in the room, I'll send you the link when we're done. There's a few of you that haven't paid. If you want to be included, I've already sent the link if you paid. Whenever you guys pay, I immediately turn around and send the link. All right, guys, I'm going to try a stacked imbalance. No, I didn't say that, Steve. I sent you a link. Got 3. I didn't get 4. No momentum in the trade. There's a stack buyer imbalance long. Oh, you stink face. Really? You're welcome, Don. God dang it, man. It's going long, guys. It's going long. Or trying. That should have gone. Stopped right at 58. There's a new download, Jerry. Well, you should have the new download. It's firing if you put it on after. It will always fire. If an imbalance fires and you put it on after the fact, it will fire. Come on, rat bag. Get up there. Now we're slow. I don't know what the out of the box colors are, Matthew. I changed the colors. Buyers are in blue, sellers are in yellow. Coming down further. NASDAQ shorts, guys. ES is coming into that 4105, and then 95 below it. I told you they left a ton of sellers on the bottom. NASDAQ is shorts. NASDAQ now looks like it's going to sell into yesterday's low at 480. Let me look at a 240 minute. Yeah, we're breaking that 600 level. This could be where we die. YM is going to trade down to 715, 100 ticks lower. On the 10-minute, the NASDAQ is trying to short right in here where it is. Hourly target looks like 560 on the NASDAQ. We need to drop below 605. What time is it? 28. Next 10-minute bar. We'll see what we get on the next 10-minute bar. My money's on shorts, and we bleed down into 480. Don't forget, we have 2 Fed speakers today. We're still holding blue, but I don't think it holds long. We have 2,400 net sellers. Next 10-minute bar, guys. Minute and 14 seconds. My money's on shorts, guys. If you guys want to short it, you can short it. Stop needs to be currently 38. You're at 17. It's not that big a stop. $30 seconds or so to the next 10-minute bar. If the next 10-minute bar comes below 605, which it should, we've got small buyers in here, but we're losing them. They're fighting to hold on to here. I don't think they can. Three, two, one. New bar. I'm going to short the NASDAQ, guys. Held. Come on. Yeah, this is just a small bounce on the 10-minute. There's no longs for me. I'm going to set the stack again. I set it for a short. Got buyers. There's the short. Come on down. Come on. What a piece of dirt. Come on. Just give me first target. Missed first target. Give me that There it is. First target filled. Now let's get this out of here. Let me go to break even. Click the break even button. See if we can get the breakdown. Come on. Break that bottom. Let's go, NASDAQ. There we go. There we go. Whoop. See how easy peasy, fellas? Easy peasy. Telling you when I'm setting it. Anybody set it? Take the short. Anybody take it? Okay. Nice job, Sapir. Nice job. Come on, break down. 24 buyers here. Down to 19. Now 35. Come on, break them down. Just sell this thing to hell in a handbasket. Let's go get 480. 480. Better get this out of here. Nice job, Earl. There we go. $550 runner. Bump, 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 bump. Bump, bump, bump. Bump, bump. Shit, let's get 480 qualified account in one day again. Guys, we're going to hit the low of the day and go like a banshee. A $700 runner here, fellas. We now have 3,000 net sellers. $1,000 runner, fellas. Anybody still holding? Nice job, Jason. Nice job, fellas. Nice job, Randy. Randy's got it. Randy's got another past account. I'll put it up in a second. I need about $1,800 and this account passes. I should be able to get this one through today as well. We're at the bottom of the cloud in the hourly. This is going to offer some support. You may want to take some risk off here. We just hit the bottom of the hourly cloud. Now, if it blows down through, we're coming 480. If we can get this thing to blow down through with increased selling, 480 is our target. I expect this to try to hold. It's the bottom of the hourly cloud. All right. Yeah, they work on micros, of course. Of course. All right, guys. This account's up 2193. Call it 2200 for the sake of conversation. I can probably find $800 today and get another one passed. Guys, is everybody good? Is there anybody not making money, man? Is there anybody that did not make money today? And we got another funded trader. Let me not. All right, Mark, got your daily goal. Tokina needs $60. Come on, I'll find you $60. I promise you. I'll find you $60. Randy, how many is that? How many funded accounts is that now? Tokina. CL as well. See you tomorrow, Rich. Nice job, Dennis. Harold is $300 away. Should be funded tomorrow. Randy, how many funded accounts do you have now? I think this is his third. All right, we tied yesterday. It's 18 for the week. Got to get somebody else funded. Need one more. Yeah, third. All right, guys. ES, look, traded down into my 95 level. You're long on a move back above, call it 4106. Frank just moved up into a new tax bracket. My apologies, Frank. You want some losers? I'll get you some losers. You want me to solve that problem? Like I like to say, paying taxes is a function of success. Something the buy-side global guys don't have anything to worry about. Oh, what do you need? Two more what? I don't think we're going long. I don't think we're going longs. This is just a retracement. All right, let's see where we're at. I'm going to set it for a stack short again. I mean, I'm just not into longs. This looks like it's going to trade up to 20, but nice job, Richard. Guys, don't forget to send me your daily totals for the spreadsheet. All right, I set the stack short again. We still haven't gotten the big blue, which is at 410 now. She's a coming there. Don't forget, again, today the Fed starts quantitative tightening. Look at that. Didn't fill. You can turn it off. I still think it's coming down. It's trading right up into resistance. If it pops here, we could go 650. I still prefer the shorts. All right, guys, I turned it back on. The stacked imbalance. Hey, Greg, you still in the room? You can turn that off. Yeah. Man, you just missed it. We just had that hidden phenomenon. We just had those price magnets. The hidden phenomenon. All right, ES guys is over 06. Long ES. I'll take it with 1. Come on, get back over there. Try to trade it up to 13. We go to a small time frame chart. Oh yeah. I don't even know what a GAN fan is. What's a GAN fan? Yeah, it doesn't look good here, guys. Let me see. Missed a stack imbalance. All right, I'm going to hit the stack short again. Just fill the stack short. Come on down. Come on. Come on. Oh, target filled. I'm going to hit the break even button. See if we can't get another runner here. Okay, out. First target only a couple $100. We're getting a little slinky. I still like shorts though. Let me see this ES. Guys, if this ES gets through here, I'll buy 1. I'll buy 1. I think we're going to go up. All right, I'm going to buy 1 ES right through that swing. I could be wrong, so if you don't, obviously I could be wrong. If you don't have the ticks to give, pass on it. But it might be we could get close to a 6-handle move here. Not yet. No trade yet. 9. Let's check out this NASDAQ again. I missed another small short. See if this holds. I do not think it will, but ES is consolidating just below this level here, this 05. I need that 5 to go. If we break up, it could be the start of a nice move. Something was just halted pending news. It didn't come across yet. We're pulling the 68 lower. I mean, they're going to try. Guys, they got to try here. If that 95 blows, you got a 60 handle downside for sure. NASDAQ is kind of hanging out as well. I just don't have it longs. I like the shorts, guys. Yeah. Try another stack. I'm way late on this, though. I'll hit it again on the stack sell side. I'm way late. I should have been short up in here. I shut it off. Do I like GC long? Let me look at it in order flow. Yeah. Yeah. 100 by here, 127. Yeah. Yeah, I think the bot trade will be okay. This is a crapshoot now on these guys. Let me look at another chart just to be sure. Yeah, gold is going to have to get above 46. Stacked imbalance worked again. I still favor shorts, guys. You can short, I think, NASDAQ with a 37 stop, but that may be bigger than most of you guys want. 30 handles from here. One more whack. I hit the stack seller short again. Come on, if you don't quickly dive, I'm gonna have to kill you. Come on. I'm out. I'm out. We're just chopping. See you tomorrow, Chris. We're just chopping on the bottoms, but we're short. We're definitely shorts. Yes, trying again. If it gets over 06, I'll take it long. It'll drag NASDAQ with it. There's 4.5. I'll take one, guys. This has to break for me. Lower highs. Looks like a bull flag is trying, right? Lower highs, lower lows in here on the bottom. Looks like a bull flag to me. Gold hanging out at the entry. He's trying. Okay. If you guys are trading multiples, you can take some off around 10 to a half. 10 to a half. There's target one. Order filled on what? Oh, shoot. I got a bot trade on the Russell. I wasn't even paying attention to it. I don't know how the hell it could fire a trade. Oh, because I don't have the whatchamacallit on it. I didn't put the daily goal, daily draw. And we got up to 11. Let's see, Jeff, what did you say? I don't trust Apex Trade. I got over 10 minutes after the open. I know Joel has a trade copier, but I don't know anything about his. I don't know if it's any different. You can talk to Joel about it. I've not used his, so I don't know. I mean, I can talk to him about it. Anybody long net ES, guys? Target now is 21, 20, 21. Anybody long the ES? Come on, break up here. Let's go, big guy. Okay, Todd. Okay, Paul. Trade him as you see fit, guys. Got resistance there. And resistance there. All right, we got another funded trader, guys. Tokina passed. Nice job, Timo. All right, some sellers coming in here. Okay, Timo, see you tomorrow. All right, guys. I'm going to take this off in a second. I'm out. I think we're going up, but I'm out. All right, hang on, guys. We have another funded trader. That's 10 today. 9 yesterday, 10 today. That's his first. Nice job, Tokina. Nice job. Another order flow guy. It's 10 today, fellas. Guys, we're coming into the 11 o'clock hour. I think the ES will continue to grind back up to 16 and possibly 25. Anybody have any questions? Does anybody have any questions? Fellas, don't forget to send me your, I do not. Jeff, no. I have it. I don't use it. Steve, there will be no link for Friday. As I've said, it will be in this room after we close. I'll take a break, and then we'll come right, I'll leave the room open. I'll take a 15-minute break, and we'll do it here. No, you are incorrect. The bot took this big winning trade right here. This is the only one. Took that trade. The ES took this trade for a first target. So you had one on each. You're welcome, Gary. I will see my 1 o'clock guys in 2 hours. I will see the rest of you at 8 a.m. tomorrow. It is Thursday tomorrow. We're close to wrapping up the week, a short week, but it's been another great week. We are at 19 funded traders for the week. 19, guys. Fellas, send me your totals. I will see all of you tomorrow. Trials, thank you for your time again today. Hope you enjoyed the room today. Guys, be blessed. And I will see all of you, Minya.